Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Global TV app not working on Apple TV. So first of all, you need to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. From the Apple TV home screen, you need to swipe up for the full screen. From here, you need to go down and select the App Store icon. Once you're in the App Store, you can go all the way over to the side and click on this search icon at the top. Then search for the Global TV app. Once the app shows up, then you need to scroll down and select the Global TV app. And if you see this update button right over here, simply click on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. But if you still encounter this issue, then you need to clear app cache. Head back to your Apple TV home screen and then go to your device settings. From here, head over to the General. Once you're in the General settings, scroll all the way down to Manage Storage option. From here, head over to the Global TV app, and then select the trash can icon right next to the app name. From here, scroll down and select the Offload option to clear app cache. Once you're done offloading the app, check if it fixes the issue. In case if it doesn't, then you need to again navigate all the way to the storage settings, and then select the trash can icon right next to the app name. From here, select the Delete option to completely delete the Global TV app from your Apple TV. Once uninstalled, head back to the Apple TV App Store to reinstall the Global TV app. Hopefully, this will fix the Global TV app not working on Apple TV. And if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.